Alright, this video is on how to use HIREN Boot USB to reset a password for a Windows computer. So, boot the computer into USB, so on a HP it's F9, and boot into our USB here. And we go into password reset section, and offline NT 2000, etc. This is a Windows 7 Pro machine, and we're going to reset the password for that. We haven't got much time, and we're going to upgrade the Windows to Windows 10. So the way you know which one is your operating system is usually the biggest one, so it's number 2 in this case. To enter and press enter, it should find, so press 1 to reset passwords, and we want to go into 1 again, and here are the users. We want to reset the password, so I want to do it for administrator for 1. I want to say clear or blank password, and also I want to change another user. In this case it's the second one on the list, and also reset the password, and that's it. Q, you want to write the changes, yes, and done. Run again, nope, and restart the machine. That's done. That was done under 20 seconds. Great, we can see the 2 users, and we're in.